Afternoon, everyone. This is Mike. Just wanted to bring you a tip of the week for project management. My tip of the week is to start using risks. Risks is very important that I've come to find out when I've been doing my project management. Risks help you identify problems early in your project and throughout the project. It really helps you to become a little bit more proactive than reactive. So let's go over a couple of the things why risks are very important and you should start using that every single time you actually run a project. Now, these benefits are not in order. They're in my personal order, and there are tons more benefits that I'm going to say here, but I just want to give you this. First thing is you can identify trouble in your project. You're going to be able to identify that trouble early and on a weekly basis, as long as you're asking those right questions to your team, to your client, just to make sure that there isn't any bottlenecks that you need to start following your business. Another one, I've already said, you can become proactive versus reactive. When I first started project managing, I was very much reactive the whole time, and since I've actually started using risks on a consistent basis, I've actually become more proactive. And my management team has actually seen that from me, that they've actually said, thank goodness that you've actually called this out early so we can start using a mitigation plan to help make the project a success. Fewer surprises, that's another benefit. Like I said, as long as you're actually asking that question every single week, or maybe every meeting, then you're going to know about those problems. And you're going to start kind of tweezing out some of those people that don't like to call on the risks. They're going to feel a little bit more comfortable to start telling you risks, as long as they know that that's a safe place to do it. You're going to end up having better quality in decision making. So like I said, when you do risks, you also want to create a risk manager, a risk mitigation plan. And usually what I do is I create the risk, and then I work with some of my fellow team members on my side of the project to kind of figure out what is going to be the best mitigation plan, and list out multiple solutions. That way you can actually come to the client with solutions instead of just problems. Definitely another benefit, it elevates the communication between you and the client. The client's going to like that you're looking out for them, making sure that you're watching out for the budget, watching out for any bottlenecks that are happening in the project. You're definitely going to be able to have more accurate budgets. Right now, one of our projects, there is a question on what the final budget number is going to be. That's a risk, so we're calling that out early. We're mitigating it internally, making sure that we're all on the same page, and also providing solutions when we actually go to the client. And finally, clear expectations. You're going to basically have clear expectations, hopefully throughout the project. Clear expectations for you, the project manager, and clear expectations for the client, and also for the development team. So that's my tip of the week. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Please let me know, leave a comment, and know that I'm doing okay. And if you guys want to talk about anything else in future tips, thank you very much, and you guys have a good rest of the day.